I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a charge on your Capital One account, follow these steps to get it sorted out quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Navigate to the Transactions section and find the charge you wish to dispute. Click on it for more details. Step 3. Initiate the dispute. Look for the option to dispute the charge, usually labeled as Dispute Charge or Report a Problem. Click on it to begin the process. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the required information regarding the dispute, including the reason for the dispute and any relevant details. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. Step 5. Submit your dispute. After reviewing your information, submit the dispute. You should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your dispute is being processed. Remember, if you don't see the dispute charge option, it might be due to the type of charge or account settings. I hope this helps you resolve any issues you have with your account.